Mama wakwaba, wafreme Ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
District office go pick up say 2 or 3 and esisiwa e mom ko motorbikes and the buses every service supervisor e wo ha bia e wo motorbikes. If you have been able teacher training allowances keka anye de ma ye nuano mom ko teacher training for better teacher for omam pani Muhammad ka kire say so man sika ye namo a wawe amanaka dompe enti ontimi manage ni yie no botwam adata na covid ni ho na bibia sa me bo mu Ukraine Russia war ni ho nso so a mismanage economy no to the point to say teacher training allowances ontimi ntua biem otwamu ene teacher for enye o na nso mon kan machi say ene enye mporo. Every teacher has entitled to a laptop. And no crowd phone, old school, free Wi-Fi. Yes.
Nanado, since 2017, Wama 280,000 laptops to teachers.
Every teacher.
280,000. Wama 350 buses.
Thank you.
To schools.
Secondary school.
Every secondary school. Wama 840 pickup vehicles.
District officers.
And district officers. 840 pickups. Yes. Pickup baku 100. 840.
Motorbikes.
1,500 motorcycles.
Yes.
1,500 bicycle moto 1,500 motors. Continue.
Enti me pese adek bebo ne ho bia nye yegina ene bia bia ne enye mpo na o mpanya bia tum mpo se onya no se ne ono ope bia bia okopaso de Ghana ko no onya onduru wonpo no na ye bobo sa achievement yi suku adan hodo a yasisi ye ba na library ba bia nkola se weekend upon school a obekosua de mpo no na ye sen
ba ko bi
ene ye library sa yasi ene yasiesie e kakako over 400 pieces ene yasiesie e de siwo ene every school secondary school bia can boast of a library. Enti omampani ka se
Asante Osaka picture na fatu sumamina
omampani ka se the investment our education is unprecedented a enye no mudwa eye fact e wo for mo a okwa ubehu tenancy atamale incident ba ya yakofa ankwala bia na so omda baabi nyagopon child here omom go use story de ba ya no omu yo no mo se bagu for abaso odimi ni ntia also omampani kra besi do metu amayan kra ye moving ko mu poye nti omukasa ni mu no no mo se mo abaso. You understand? And it's everywhere. Every corner bia obekono one na like abagu for aban no onye ne se enkrape akura na se kra obekono na ne die si ho every district me ka omampani dada mahama obi o tie mi bia o Kasoa bia November 19 2015 2016 ye bekoto aba na all rush say no schools now the CB no obi bia no na oduru Kasoa or the bus and a computers versus go bus ni mo na one bus no or the chin the whole central region oduru Kasoa fanko school or the bus ni see ho I am for travel jana for be duru about 8 p.m. or kate so bus ni any school dan nya mo dia owi no mo to bus ni ko but akọ
or the road show
or akọ obrachire or akọ so duro one bus no or the dada yen san the chin the whole central region owi no sa the bus no be sin crime recently and honorable me say come see call obe na new bus is here ya mo do point senior high one bus
nia aba say ya kan ho asem na wo kan ho asem eno na say radio ni TV 4 nyina ye fair reportage nanso ye ntumi mfa program bi na program aye bobo ana program enyuntu for anyway near the adani political program any ni a problem wa ho o sha ya na panelists no so shout to me say carefully chosen say ye be di boni bi ye be di bi eno na a problem ti e be sre eno no ye nhwe say ye political program entertainment program a ye sre mo na mo be down in political na sports programmer yesre mo munka political parties no ne yemfa representation rotation so mra ho nanso mo ye no skill no one way a tambia ma ya som enjoy eno bi ena yesre all the media way because Borgano I spoke about it last Friday night against Saturday. I think I'm so happy say me to me can be bisa e wo honomo ye ma for reportage eno na ma mi Christiana Mampo so okay no CNN. She became so popular in the world because of fair reportage. Assembly about say Israel and Hamas. No ni na me ho nyina both sides. On come one side. Na akwai ti say hu ebi mu mobo bi sa nanso aggression no there it could come from either side. When mu akwai to total asem na anu ya Hamas. She will say it and speak against it. Na wa kire ne nti a omayesa na wakotie Israel side nso na say Israel nso they are aggressors like they have always been on the Palestinians omaka omayesha to say the biggest prison in the world meanwhile assassin nso ya omodia ya pa nti no so obeka na nti na Christian Mampo CNN obe one of the best journalists in the world wa ho nti ebesre fair reportage ho hia na bibia akoso kama nti medamase
Alaji yenso yeda si quickly me mo bowe su na fie nyakwan aka asem na major one president
India because you di back where 7 million obi a person you say Tracy Boache so we understand but say who person Ghana koso dia you can never stand anywhere and tell me say Kufuor Abanye feeling and I have told everybody NDC MPP whoever want to debate me on the record of His Excellency Nanado and Baumia, I will defend it any day. I will defend it any day. What about share page, you know? This is General Tosere. Na Sabio, who ye actress. Dia wudi didie, mesrao, eye wu movie awo acting. Wo se wo pe abayina, na penso, na won to mean movie because of doom sono. Wo pe onumbom, etching dia waba and then moya diu and so cause movie yen can't draw the light in my. This is what I'm trying to drive people's mind to. This is where I want people to start thinking. Like I said, we are going to use one today to expose them. Maybe a phone lines not to now you call. But I want these Boka celebrities that we have in Ghana to start learning and make themselves valuable. Valuable. No munyai san concerning say Jimmy Sam yen shiadie yan kohwehwe no kura wom the newspaper can say yan no kura obi ton the newspaper. Everybody knows news sells. Everybody knows news sells. Everybody knows news sells, especially when it is a negative one. When it's a negative one, it spreads fast like wildfire. It will be a person town news, Biano. That is their strategy. They will find something to come and sell the news for you. It's no sa news, no. Now one position. Now be now again say I can news in Tiano na adekwa. You are in big problem. I'm telling you. You are in big problem. Now, Ebio. Adia yen Ghana for any yet the most are complaining. Na niamane dawson na mempe